Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel here. This is Saints Row 2. We're doing a request video that's been a little overdue, so I apologize about that, but we have it today. And this is a character from the game Lollipop Chainsaw, which I've never actually played, but I did see some videos on the internet of that, and it looks pretty cool, to be quite honest. So I went ahead and made her. So this is anybody that is looking for this particular character. Alright, so we're inside the crib now. This is what she looks like, just to give you an idea. So it wasn't too bad to make. Pretty straightforward. Now we're gonna head onto the map, and depending on where you are, we're gonna head over to Image as Design. So we've just arrived at Image as Design. I'm using money cheats myself. The sex, aka gender, female. Race, Caucasian. Build, you're going to want to go with athletic. Age is young. So we're going to head over to the body now. This is the body shape. 18. Skin. That option. And then we're going to go through the face morph. Starting with crown. Eye color. I went with this green color. Right here now. Head, hair, primary color. Go with that. Head, hair, secondary color. You want to go with that. No facial hair. Head. It's the pigtail, the tribal pigtails. X. No mustache, no beard, no sideburns, eyebrows. Waxed and thin. Waxed thin. Makeup, around eyes, Egyptian eye, medium, go with that gray. For the second is that black, dark gray or whatever. And that's it for that. So personality, voice, female 1, facial none, movement style is lady bounce, combat style same, compliment, that one, taunt. I actually went with this one because it sounds a lot like the character's voice from the game, which is kind of neat. So that's what I went with. Alright, so now you can exit when you're complete. Alright, so at this point your character probably has a jumpsuit on. So you can look at your map. Do this, so we're going to stop at On Thin Ice, and I happen to be right next to it. Or just down the street a couple blocks. So I'll meet you over at that store. We're at On Thin Ice. I'm going to go ahead and go inside now, and I'm going to show you jewelry. Just a watch. So it'll be over to the wrist. It will be the left wrist. It's the round hand clock. And we're going to make this wristwatch pink, like it was in the game. First color, 4 down. It's going to be this color all the way through. Color, third color, and pink, and purchase. Then we're going to exit the store altogether. Okay. Look at the map. Alright, so we're on Thin Ice now. We're going to head up to the store branded on your map. It's over here. GPS it. And if you want, it's up to you. Impressions here sells stockings too, different style though. Depending on if you don't like the one she's currently wearing, you could change it up, I suppose. But we're going to head over to Branded now, and I'll meet you there at Branded. We're here at Branded. Gonna go in. I'll show you. What to buy next. Socks. Banded stockings. And for the style, will be solid. For the color, will be this white. And for the second color, doesn't matter because she's going to be wearing shoes anyways, so that's going to be covered up. And purchase, now lower body belt. It's going to be this large square buckle. X. The style is going to be steel. For the color, 2 down and 5 over. So that red, and hit X and purchase and exit the store. Alright, I'll show you where to go next on your map. So looking at the map now, we're going to head over to Sloppy Seconds. We're going to set a GPS on there. And I'll see you over there. And I'll show you real quick what to buy here. The wrist. It's going to be the right wrist. The wristband. Be black. And for the second color, it's going to be white. And it will be that shade of white. And then hit X and purchase that. That's her wristband. Yes. Now we're gonna look at the map now, and we're gonna head over to Stillwater University. There's a gift shop there. It's right there on the map. So I'll see you over there. I'm gonna go inside. And it's over to the left. The upper body, undershirts, women's cheerleader skirt, X. And for the color, it's down. And 3 over. That color, hit X. For the second color, is going to be this shade of white down here, and hit X. And for the third color will be the same as the first, so that was 6 down, and it was 3 over. That color. And then you want to go with a logo, so hit X. And the front will be Stillwater University. It's this logo here, X. And for the color of the logo will be this white here, and hit X. And then when you're done, hit purchase. Okay, for lower body, that will be her skirt. Will be pants. Will be cheerleader skirt. And we're going to go with the same color. So it'll be 6 down and 3 over. And for the middle color, which is the line at the bottom, is that red color. And for the third color, same as the first, 6 down, and then hit purchase. I'm not sure if it will appear or not, but anyways, hit square, switch to wardrobe. Now it's lower body and belt. I'm not sure if you have to put the belt on top of the skirt or not, or if it'll appear automatically onto the wardrobe. So just hit wear item if that's the case for the belt buckle on the skirt. And when you're done, you can exit. Alright, so we're going to go to our very last store, which is on the rag, and that's to buy the shoes, obviously. And then after that point, she's done. She's going to look on the map, find on the rag, it's right here, and I'll meet you over there. Alright, so we are here at on the rag. We're going to go ahead, go inside, and buy the shoes. So there's shoes, the sports shoe with the strap. The color is that white. I think it's the default white. I'm pretty sure it is. And the second color, 2 down and 5 over. That red, and hit X. And for the third color, you want to do 3 down and 4 over, and hit X, and go down to purchase and exit the store. Yes. And there you have it. She is complete. So she looks pretty good. Well, almost complete. She doesn't have one thing, and that would be her chainsaw. So you can enter this in the cheats. In my past videos, I have the link for that. Pretty sure I do anyways. But it's not hard to find. Get her a chainsaw, and then she's done. There you go. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video tutorial. I'm thinking about doing a Duke Nukem one, similar type video format. Thinking about doing Duke Nukem though, but if you guys want to see that, if you definitely want to see that, let me know in the comments, and I will catch you later, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.